Hello, this is our IoT project for the 5th semester of Pillai College of Engineering. Our topic is Smart Door Unlocking using Facial Recognition. So this is a door and our components are a Raspberry Pi, a Pi camera, a servo motor, an LCD screen, a button and jumper wires. So this is the working of our project. We control the Raspberry Pi using a VNC server setup at phone with a cutout for the ports and powered it by a power bank. So in our working there is a button and a Pi camera. If the button is pressed, the Pi camera is triggered and it will capture a photo. My face is authorized, so the door will unlock now. The door will be unlocked for 10 seconds and the LCD shows welcome door unlocked. There is a second button inside to stop the program. We also made a function which uploads the images captured to a FTP server and display it on a web page. So the three categories will be blocked entries, authorized entries and unrecognized entries. So in the following example, this is the list of unauthorized entries through the door. We can see the timestamp at which he entered, and we also made a function through which the authorized user will get an email from our service that someone is trying to enter the door and you should check the application. The main objective of our project is to provide a safe way of entering our house. So in our project, the first step for the user is to press the button which calls the function of the Pi camera to capture an image. This image is then sent to Microsoft Cognitive Services Face API, and this Face API determines if the image is recognized and is in the authorized faces or not. If the face is authorized, the servo motor will rotate and the door will unlock and it will say welcome face door unlocked. And if there are no faces or an incorrect face, the door will not unlock and the message will be door not unlocked. So the next part is connecting Raspberry Pi to a system. So we have connected an external mouse, an external keyboard, power supply and a VGA to HDMI adapter. For the connections of LCD, we use this pin diagram. Links will be in the description. And for the servo motor, we connected one pin to the 5V power supply, one pin to the GPIO port and one to the ground. So I'll show you the code here. There are a bunch of import statements and an import script statement. The button is declared as 15 because it is the GPIO port we will be using. This variable stores the name of the image. This is our key for the Microsoft Face API and this is the endpoint. The key is not correct because it's deleted. And these are our functions used in the program. Image capture function captures an image with the Pi camera for 5 seconds. The person group function is a function which declares and makes a person group for the authorized faces. Here the authorized faces are Vishal, Yogesh and Amok, and we have already added some faces to the Microsoft Face API, and we have also trained the API to recognize these images by this code. So after that it will send the captured image by the Raspberry Pi to the Microsoft Face API using this code, and it will identify for the faces. If there are no faces detected, it will show sorry, no faces are detected. If there is a correct face detected, it will show person for the face identity is identified with the confidence of 0 point confidence. 0.8 means 80% of confidence. And if there are faces detected in the program but which are not authorized, it will show this line and the door will not unlock. And this is the code for the button. The mode is set to gpio.bcm and the button.gpio is 15 because we set the GPIO port to 15. This is the servo motor function. If the correct face is recognized, this function will operate, and these are the LCD functions. The code will be down in the description. So let's run the program. The LCD screen is blank. The servo motor is here. So after running the program, it will be a blank screen unless we press the button. If we press the button, the Pi camera will activate and take a picture. So it has recognized a face with a confidence of 0.84 and the LCD says welcome, door unlocked. So now that we have seen what happens when an authorized user unlocks the door, we'll see what happens when there is no face detected. Press the button and there is no face. Capture the photo. Sorry, no faces are detected. The Microsoft Face API is very quick, so if you have a fast internet connection, it will be very quick. And the LCD shows no face, door locked, and the servo motor is in still position. The future scope of this project is the image will be stored in a website through PHP, and it will notify the authorized user if there is an person who is trying to access the door if is not authorized. So thank you for watching. All the code will be down in the description.